Crystal here. Today I will be showing you what is inside a Google Nexus tablet and a Huawei tablet. So I will be starting off by taping covering it with masking tape, or I don't know what it's called, but masking tape, and you'll find out why in a few moments. So let's get started. So I have finished taping them up, and now we are going to be going outside and showing you what is inside. So it's really windy outside right now, and hopefully you guys can hear me, so here we go.
Do not try this at home without an adult.
Oh my gosh. It's forward. I cannot. It's rock solid. It keeps flopping.
Blopping? Is that even a word? Let's take a look. Blooping. Well, bloop is a word. There we go.
I'll move this over there. It's a bit... Oh my, this is rock solid. I cannot do this right now. It's bent. Guys, it's bent. Oh my. Almost there. Oh, okay. It's like, it's really bent. Whoa.
Should we see what's inside?
Yeah. Oh, I see you.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Now, there we go. It's inside Google Nexus. Let's take this off.
This is crazy. Whoa. Look at this, guys. There's like a USB thing there. Dad! What are you doing?
Having a look inside.
What is that? A metal strip came out?
Oh no, Asus make bits for Google.
Yeah.
I think this is the battery.
Yeah.
And this is the screen.
What? Is that like foil?
And let's have a look at everything in there. And there we go. So that's the Google Nexus.
That's really complicated on that bottom
Now
left.
we'll move on to the Huawei.
Which is somewhere.
So that is inside Nexus 5. Hello.
Here's the Huawei. This one is actually rock solid now. Guys, I think my dad will have to do this soon. But oh, that's better. It's like a
Go, give it a really good hit in the middle of the tape, because the tape's holding it together. That's it.
Oh, we bent it even more.
This one bounces.
But it's obviously damaging the tape. Yeah, this one's bending, guys. Oh, you can see a little bit underneath the tape there.
Oh, yes.
Spiky. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. That didn't really do anything, but...
Shall I give it a go?
Yeah. So my dad's gonna have a go, and I... Oh my! Dad! What are you...
Sorry, it's fine.
Whoa!
Here we have
That's cool.
a Huawei MediaPad M3 Lite, I think it was. I think this is the battery. Yeah, this looks.
That's a huge
Yeah,
battery.
it's like
Are you able to take it out?
it's like a piece of paper.
It's got a
Card.
thing, look! Should we keep that?
That's a barcode. That's not the card barcode. QR code.
QR.
Code.
I wonder why it's
I
inside.
don't think we need that. No. We're not going to open the battery because we don't want to do that. Just have a quick look. No, that's all. So most of the electronics
Are they two batteries? I feel like they're two batteries.
There are two batteries in this one. So it probably lasts a bit longer.
I don't know, I keep looking at
And
that
most of
green
the
part there because it
electronics
looks
that makes it work is here. And the screen
is...
here.
Oh my, let's have a look at the front screen.
This is not going to come off as easily.
Let's have a look at the front part.
There's the front.
That is...
So at
Very
least any data that we had on here is now gone.
Yeah. So, anyway, right now I'm going to do a Q&A about these tablets. So, comment down below if you know what this silver thing is, because I've been looking at that and I don't know what it is. And there's this giant, well not giant, but like a big block of foam, and I feel like there's like metal or something underneath. And also comment down below if you know what is underneath that. I also wondered why there's like gel on top of that red one. It's like gel and like that bit's not gel. And there's like a it's like a flattened wire. Like someone's like squished into one small little strip.
And those are the processors. I don't know if you can read that, but it says Qualcomm. So sometimes when you're buying a phone or a tablet, it tells you what processors they have.
Also, I don't know why, but there's like these two blocks of something that they move. And
I think they're just foam padding
yeah.
to hold things in place.
And I found another flattened wire.
There you go. And that's the battery.
There's two batteries, I think.
It says Li-ion, which is lithium ion batteries.
Is it two batteries? Because there's like
Yeah.
a slit in the middle.
I think they're joined somewhere over here.
These look
by
like
this.
these look like CD discs. Like you put really small CDs in there.
Don't know what they are. They look as if
I
something
thought
was.
at first I thought that was the camera, but I was like, it's a
And
bit
there's
too
a
low.
QR code just there.
I don't know why.
Don't know why
is
it's
it
there.
inside? I'm gonna
Maybe-
scan it. So there's another QR code here.
Oh yeah. Don't know what they're for. Maybe
What?
for the
Is
parts.
that a QR code?
Yeah, that's another one as well.
And there's another one there.
And another one.
And another one.
I think they're for all the parts, the different parts.
What if there's an app where like
To
you
recognise
scan
the
it
parts.
and it tells you what the parts are about?
That's what it's probably for.
What's this, guys?
That's a processor.
Why is that one black and this one orange?
Oh no, that's black.
Yeah.
That's black. And that's black underneath. It's on an orange circuit board.
Why has it got gel on top like that? This red one there's got
Gel. Oh, it's to hold it all in place so it doesn't
Is it like
fall
hot
apart.
glue?
Yeah,
Oh, and guys, I wonder what this is. Oh,
that's the screen.
yeah. I was looking at this and I was like, what on earth is this?
I don't know what that is.
It's like a giant SD card or something.
No, it's not an SD card. Don't know what it is. So I think that's all of the tablet, isn't it?
Oh, and
Really?
then there's the Nexus one.
Oh, do you want to see that one as well?
Yeah.
And Asus made this tablet, even though it says Google Nexus on it.
That looks like a CD player as well.
I'm not sure what that is. Absolutely no idea what that is.
It looks like a cooker, like, do you know when like you put a pan on top of the cooker?
It might be. That's what it might be. It might be the coil to cool it, because laptops have coils. So I don't know if that's the equivalent.
Did you open that or something?
That's a button, I think.
What button?
Was there a button on the back? I can't remember now.
No.
Oh, there's one here as well. No, it's not a button.
Oh look, that's the charging thing.
Yeah. It's a charging point.
Another QR code. That one says something though.
It says, it's all the numbers and codes for the motherboard, I think. Another lithium-ion battery, and this one's only one. It looks like similar size, but there's one on this one.
What's that? It's like this huge.
This.
Yeah.
That's
Not that. This.
you should be able to unplug it. It's like a plug-in, unplug thing.
Why is it plastic?
Because it is plastic. But if you can see all the little lines, they're all different connectors, and they go all the way across to this side. So that connected to that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this copper thing helps cool it. I think so.
Oh, okay.
And we don't have any more apart from the screen, which looks nothing like a screen now. And I think we're done with that, aren't we?
So this is the end of the video now, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.
And now for the bloopers.
I burped. Hi guys, Crystal here. Today I will be So it's really windy outside, and hopefully you guys can hear me. So